Okay, so these are the properties you should know to solve exercise 3.3 sums. Okay, so otherwise you can't do. So otherwise you can't do any problems. So you should know that all the properties. So suppose you are going to do exercise 3.3 sum, the sums, you must know these properties. Okay, yeah, these are the properties. First, I explain one by one. First of all, we usually know that, yeah, this one we know that sine of, yeah, sine of minus x or minus theta, which is equal to, I can write minus sine x. This is a one property. So I can write sine of minus x as minus sine x. Suppose sine of minus 30 degree. If I have, I can write how minus sine 30 degree. That's it. Okay, this is what we have to write. Suppose for example cos of minus 60 degree. How can I write cos of minus 60? So cos of minus 6 value is plus cos only. So plus cos of, so in the place of x what value we have? 60. So cos 60 degree. That's it. So this is the first one. Okay. And then look at that. So 90 degree minus theta, 90 degree minus theta, and then 90 degree plus theta, 90 degree plus theta, so on. Why we have to choose this one? Suppose we know that values of only for theta values is theta value is equal to 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. For these degrees only we know that value. Okay, sine 0 degree 0, sine 30 degree 1 by 2, sine 45 degree 1 by 2 to so on. So for this இந்த value இவ்வளவு வேல்யூக்கு தான் 0 to 90 degree only we know that. Okay, suppose if I tell sine 70 degree find value, so we can't, yeah, so here there are no values for sine 90 degree. How can we? Okay, so first of all, so suppose given question is, you should check that the given question is more than 180 degree or below that 180 degree. Okay, more than 180 degree or below that 180 degree. If you have more than 180 degree, you can use 360 plus theta or 360 minus theta. Okay, so which one is suitable? Okay, so more than 180 degree means you choose 360 plus theta, 360 minus theta. Below 180 degree means you can use 90 degree minus theta, 90 degree plus theta. How can we use? Suppose if we have sine of, what I'm telling, sine of, suppose sine of, okay, sine of 150 degree, this is a question. So we don't know the value of sine of 150 degree. What are the values? Only we know that sine 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60, 90. Okay, for these values only we know the value, degree value. But sine of 150 degree is not in the trigonometric table. So I have to change that 150 degree into that, we know that values 1 0 30, yeah, like that. How? So first of all, what is the value? You should see that either this given degree is more than 180 or below 180. So below 180. So you can use 90 degree. Okay. So sine of 90 degree. Which one we have to use? 90 degree plus theta, 90 degree minus theta. So 90 கூட எதனா ஒரு நம்பரை ஆட் பண்ணாதான் I will get 150. Correct? So if I subtract any number, I won't get 150. So I have to add how many degree? Yeah, 60 degree. That is a very important 60 degree, because if you write this right hand side 6, that will must be 0 30 60 90, yeah, 45. Okay, that's the value only you have to write. So 90 degree plus 60 degree, 90 degree plus 60 degree. So sine of 90 degree plus 60 degree, this is what is the form? Sine of 90 degree plus theta form. Now look at the property. Sin of 90 degree plus theta நான் எப்படி எழுதுறேன்? Cos theta. I can write cos theta. So therefore comparing these two, sin of 90 degree plus theta, I can write cos theta. So sin of 90 degree plus 60 degree, I can write cos in the place of theta. What we have 60 degree. Cos 60 degree I can write. That's it. This is what we have to do. Cos 60 degree. Okay. So now cos 60 degree, we know that value. What is the value of cos 60 degree? Cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. That's it. Okay, so this is what we have to prove that. So for example, if I have more than 360, if I have more than 360, which means what? Suppose if given that sine some 765 degree, okay, it's more than 360. More than 360 means, so 360 plus 360 is 720 தான் வருது கரெக்டா? So sin of, I can write 360 but 2 into 360, so 720 plus how many degree it will convert to 765 degree. So this is answer for 720 plus how many degree you will get 765, 45 degree. So if you get more than 360, more than above the 700,000, likewise இருந்துச்சுன்னா you have to use 2 into 360 or 3 into 360 or 4 into 360, so on. So whatever the value given, likewise you have to choose. Suppose for example, yeah, sine of 1410 you have 1410 you have. So I can write sine of 1410 as, so 360 only I can use, but how many times? So 1 into 360 360, 2 into 360 720, 3 into 360 1080, 4 into 360, so 1360. So what is the answer? 0 4 1, yeah, 101140. No, 1440, correct? 1440. So I have a 1410, so it must be equal only. So so it must be nearly. So 3, so therefore I can write 4 into 360. So the value of this one is what? Nearly to the 1410. So we have a 1440. Here we have a 1410. So 1410 ல இருந்து என்ன பண்ணா we will get 1410 minus 30. So 30 ன்றது correct answer only, because we have, so sin of 360 minus 30. Sin of 360 minus 30. What is answer? Sin of 360 minus 4. So you have to use this condition. Sin of 360 minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So I can write minus sin 30 degree. In the place of theta we put 30 degree. So sin 30 degree value what? So sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2, put minus 1 by 2. That's it. So this is what we have to prove that. So what is the first one you have to do? You must know that all the properties, okay, fingertips. So you must know all the properties and although these tables and also Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So what are the values? Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, and cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent, and then reciprocal of sin theta we get cosecant theta, reciprocal of cos theta we get secant theta, reciprocal of tan theta we get, yeah, this is a cot theta. Okay, this is a cot theta. Okay, so that's it. So you should know all the properties, then only you can do all the sums.